So this is APS MAG. So what's the problem? It's leaking. That's the problem. So figure out how to fix it. So what you need: silicone oil, some silicone grease, and if you have a rubber cylinder, then you will need it as well. That's the best one. But so basically we will need to go inside. So we will need to have a tool, Allen key, and screw driver. So see. Okay. So here we go. So screw, is it this one? Anyway, let's unscrew the previous one. That was so you can unscrew this way or this way. Wait a minute. Here you go, that's better. So you can see what I'm doing. So you get an idea, yeah? Just gonna unscrew it now. Come on. So we got like three rubber sealants. One over here and two over here. So what we need to do is to check what's going on. Come on. Duck. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna stop it because this one doesn't have a rubber fin on over here. Oh, okay. Well, they have a metal one. But let's unscrew this one just to see what do we have here. So just no, is it anti-clockwise, if you know what I mean. Just look at the clock and see the arrow which way it goes. Anti-clockwise is go other way. The fuck? This one that doesn't have a rubber as well, or it does. It's stuck. So what we need to do? Here we go. That's the rubber. So, what we gonna do? What we gonna do when we find you? Okay, so first we're gonna come on silicone. Say out. I'm not the specialist. Okay, so this. Silicone oil and silicone grease. So what I want to have, come on, push, something like that. Low, stuff like that, and that's not the problem. Excuse me for my language. Okay, so go. We got silicone grease, and then little silicone grease over here. Come on, I need to rub it in. I need to cut more. That's so then I just not rubbing it, but smashing in it. So focus. So you get an idea. So now we're just gonna put it back, screw it back. Okay, go. Now, also maybe just gonna put it somewhere over here. Go. Now we're gonna sum it. Well, this is interesting. Come on, this one is no more, not difficult, but go. Now where is the screw? Go, and now I'm just gonna screw it back. Let's see what we managed to do. So some gas in. And seems it's not leaking. Let's see. Okay. It's difficult. Second. Well, there you go, and I think that's worked out. So if you have a problem with the mag, I think you can sort out any mag problem. So that's, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and good luck. Hope this helped. You out.